We're here at the Carrollwood Cultural Center planting for the Carrollwood Pollinator Corridor. So this project is funded by a Viva Florida grant from the Florida Wildflower Foundation, where they funded us to plant native wildflowers at 3 sites in the Carrollwood area, including the Carrollwood Cultural Center, VISTA Gardens, and Carrollwood Village Park. And so this way, pollinators such as butterflies and bees can fly around and get plenty of food resources in the area.
I'm Jan. I'm a master gardener volunteer, and I helped design this wildflower garden. It's part of a pollinator corridor, and there were some special considerations with this particular design. It's the Carrollwood Cultural Center, and folks come here for evening events. So the plants are along the sidewalk. And so we specifically marked the corners with white pineland heliotrope so that it would stand out at dusk and people could see that that's where the sidewalk began and ended. And then we wanted to keep the formal flavor of the entrance, so we planted not a lot of different varieties, but we wanted it to have maximum impact. So there's Lanceolata coreopsis, pineland heliotrope, and there's a beautiful buttonbush sage plant that will be in the center. And the native firebush forms the backbone, and that was already here, so we had a lovely existing backbone. So we're excited for this to grow and take root and become part of the pollinator corridor.
So we encourage residents to take part in this project by planting native wildflowers at their own homes. And we'll be having a class on December 5th on pollinator gardening, where we will be giving out free seeds and plants.